Ano bang kakaiba sa'yo? Sabi ko nga lagi sa talks ko, you don't need to be better. You just need to be different. Being different is a beautiful and beneficial thing. Meron ka ba mga kakaibang mga combinations sa mga skills at superpower na magiging dahilan ng iyong extra and super unique power? Ito yung mga combination. Halimbawa, magaling kang mag-manage ng team, magbenta ng kotse, but also have a solid understanding of basic psychology. That skill combo makes you a more effective leader. Better able to get the best results from each employee using different tactics suited to their individual personality. Alam nyo, leadership, the best definition of leadership is leadership by example, di ba? And you don't treat everyone the same. Kung iisa atake mo sa lahat, hindi mo makukuha yung puso ng bawat isa. Dapat you talk to them individually. Alam mo ba na hindi lahat ng mga managers at mga leaders ay may ganyang klase ng tinatawag na combined skills and talents? Ibig sabihin, meron kang interpersonal superpowers. Alam nyo kung anong unique combination of strength na meron ka, and you'll get to the bottom of what makes you different or more powerful. Okay? Okay, next. What did you love to do as a child? Ano ba yung gustong-gusto mong gawin? Ang mga bagay na gusto mong gawin nung bata ka pa? Naalala nyo ba nung bata tayo kapag meron tayong gagawin na kakaiba?